Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to insert SIM cards in Realme C25 smartphone. Before we start the video, I request you to subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. So in the Realme C25 smartphone, the SIM tray is located at the left side of phone. So this one is a SIM tray. You need to insert the SIM ejector tool into this hole like this. Now the SIM tray will be come out. So in this SIM trays, you can insert the two SIM cards and one SD card. So I insert the SIM cards. You need to insert like this. So after finishing, you need to insert this setup into the phone like this. Now the SIM tray and SD card insert successfully. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up. See you next video. Bye bye.